Lower belly fat is the most annoying area for most people when it comes to fat loss. It's that area that most people want it gone from first so they can show off that flat stomach, but it seems to want to stay forever even when you've reached your goal weight. So in this video I'm going to run through 5 things that no one tells you about lower belly fat. My name is Tom Ashcroft and I've struggled in the past with that last little bit of fat under the abs. So I've spent years studying the science of fat loss and transforming my own physique, and I'm going to share everything that I know, what's genuinely worked for me and what's supported by science. The first one is unrealistic expectations. So having 0 fat rolls when you sit down. A lot of people assume once you've finally achieved abs, they'll look perfect 24/7, like a Greek statue in a museum, perfectly chiseled and never bloated even after eating pizza. But here's the kicker. Even fitness models, those annoyingly perfect humans, get rolls when they sit down. And I know that's shocking. It was a real shock to me because Instagram doesn't show that. But it turns out abs aren't immune to gravity or sitting down on your couch. But relax. The folds you see are totally normal, so stop comparing yourself to Instagram influencers posing under perfect light after starving themselves all day, because Instagram is just a highlight reel, not reality. And speaking of stubborn rolls, here's why your belly fat refuses to leave, even when you ask politely. If you've ever noticed how your body burns fat everywhere except the exact place you want it to go from, like it's purposefully messing with you, well, you can blame science. Your belly fat cells have alpha receptors, basically the clingy X's of fat cells, and they just refuse to go no matter how much you hint that it's over. And sadly you can't evict these clingy cells overnight, but you can outsmart them with overall fat loss. So stay patient and consistent, and eventually even the most stubborn fat will pack up and leave. Reluctantly, but it will go. And just when you think you've figured out dieting, something weird happens. Progress stops dead in its tracks, and this is why. You've dialed in your diet perfectly, results are rolling in, and then suddenly you're stuck like Netflix buffering on bad Wi-Fi. This annoying pause isn't random. Your metabolism is adjusting, trying to conserve energy because your body thinks you're starving. It's like a classic drama queen behaviour. But there is an easy fix. Mix things up, recalculate your calories, adjust your macros, and change your workouts by doing more cardio. The fat loss will continue. But why does lower belly fat seem especially stubborn? Why is what's really going down? If you've ever wondered why some people effortlessly maintain abs whilst you're stuck fighting genetics that store fat like your grandma stored canned goods, here's a newsflash. Genetics matter. Your DNA decides where fat settles, not you. Some get lucky, some get belly fat. Life isn't fair. And I know you're probably the same because you're watching this video and not taking selfies on the gym floor. Don't worry, that's me too. Instead of being envious of someone else's DNA, compare yourself to yesterday's version of you. Focus on your own progress and celebrating small wins. And if genetics wasn't frustrating enough, there's always this tempting shortcut waiting to waste your money. If you've ever seen those ads promising instant belly fat loss with just one magic pill, it sounds amazing. If only it were real. Spoiler alert. Pills that promise spot reduction are about as reliable as airplane Wi-Fi. They never work when you actually need them. Instead, keep it simple. Calorie deficit, balanced meals, consistent workouts, consistent cardio, and your wallet and your waistline will thank you. And finally, here's one last thing sabotaging your appearance, and it's not even fat. Dieting perfectly but still looking like you're sneaking snacks under your shirt, it might not be fat. Bad posture pushes your stomach forwards, making it look like you're permanently smuggling donuts under your shirt. So if you can fix your posture by strengthening your core and stretching your hip flexors, suddenly you'll look slimmer without losing an ounce. Magic? Effective? Yes. If you like this video, then you'll love the 21-day course I've put together. There's a link in the bio. Over the next 21 days, I will send you a snippet of something that will bring you tremendous value during your fat loss phase. I'll see you in the next one.